Hey there, fellow freelancers. Are you ready to boost your Fiverr orders and take your freelancing career to the next level? Well, stick around, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share 5 surprising tips that will help you do just that. Tip number 1. Optimize your gig titles and descriptions with powerful keywords. Think about what buyers are searching for and make sure those key phrases are in your gig title and description. For example, if you're a graphic designer, don't just say graphic design. Get specific. Say something like professional logo design or custom social media graphics. This will help your gig show up higher in search results and attract more buyers. Next up, tip number 2. Showcase your skills with a high-quality profile picture and banner. Your profile picture is often the first thing a buyer sees, so make sure it's professional and clear. And don't forget about your banner. It's a great way to highlight your style and brand. Use it to showcase your best work or to communicate what you're all about. Tip number 3. Craft a compelling gig description that highlights your unique value proposition. Don't just list what you can do. Explain why you're the best person for the job. Talk about your experience, your passion, and what makes you stand out from the crowd. Remember, buyers are looking for someone they can trust, so be authentic and let your personality shine through. On to tip number 4. Use high-quality images and videos in your gig gallery. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and a video is worth even more. Show off your best work and give buyers a taste of what they can expect when they hire you. This can really make a difference and set you apart from other sellers. And finally, tip number 5. Respond quickly and professionally to inquiries and orders. Buyers appreciate quick responses and good communication. It shows that you're reliable and serious about your work. Plus, Fiverr's algorithm favors active sellers, so being responsive can help you rank higher in search results. So there you have it. 5 surprising tips to help you boost your Fiverr orders. Optimize your gig titles and descriptions with powerful keywords. Showcase your skills with a high-quality profile picture and banner. Craft a compelling gig description. Use high-quality images and videos, and respond quickly and professionally to inquiries and orders. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you succeed as a freelancer. Happy freelancing, and see you next time.